एक एक मसल भागी है मेरी, एक एक मसल. You just go and tell everyone that they have to love this. There's no way they cannot love it.
ये प्लॉट को कहाँ से निकाला, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग, आई मीन most of us were not aware about gender testing thing, so digging out such a strong theme is in itself is an achievement, I think.
Yeah, it was quite a eye opener for me also when I got to know about it. क्योंकि मैंने जब ये नंदा मेरे पास लेके आए थे ये स्टोरी, I was in Chennai shooting for Game Over and he came and met me and showed me this AV of 2.5 minutes, which was a basic outline story of this film. मैं खुद ही इतनी शॉक हो गई थी because I was like यार मैं इतना स्पोर्ट्स को पसंद करती हूँ, how do I not know about it? And I did all my Google search and all of that, and I figured out that really happens. And the way kitni sari athletes have been affected by it. Not just that they get banned, which is obvious, but also beyond that ban, they end up, damaging their own life in a lot of ways. They just go into oblivion. There's so many attempt to suicides that happen, and there's so much of social shaming that happens that after this. So it's very, very emotionally embarrassing to to go through this test, and in case you fail it, it's like disastrous consequences in one's life. So मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा शौक था. तो मैंने जब ये रियलाइज किया कि कितना क्रिटिकल किस तरह का ये टेस्ट और उसके रेपरकशंस है, तो मैंने कहा यार ये स्टोरी मेन स्ट्रीम में नहीं बोली गई है, और कितनी लड़कियां तो they don't even have the courage to fight it in public कि उनका gender test fail हो गया, because this whole thing of not being called a woman or being questioned about your womanhood is too embarrassing for them to speak up. So I realized that this is high time. So I realized कि ये वाला तो मतलब will hit hard. Kind of like I made this whole character, or Akash, Anirudh and all, they devised this character as a amalgamation of all these female athletes who've gone through it.
Were you actually involved this time at the writing level also, because you felt for the story so much ki nahi, you wanted to give the entire thing a direction?
So I really don't possess writing expertise. That storyline was handed over to Akash and Anirudh, and then they made a screenplay version which was narrated to me. Then everyone gave their inputs and all what they felt should be changed, and then the next draft came, then the dialogue version came, then multiple drafts of the dialogue version came. So at every stage I was probably part of that discussion where the review used to happen. Everyone used to give their inputs and used to work on a draft, which doesn't really happen for any other film of mine. They do take my input, but it's at a later stage. For this one, it happened from the very first stage. So that's why this is special.
You have already broken your comfort zone बहुत पहले, but people who are working with you also do that, because for Akash sir it was like a new kind of a film he was doing. For both Abhishek and Priyanshu, we have not seen them in such kind of an avatar. So क्या है, do you make sure that people working around you actually
I make sure everybody's on their toes. Everybody.
But how was it? How was it?
For Akash to direct a sports film, it was probably, मतलब उन्होंने कभी नहीं सोचा होगा कि मतलब वो sports film where probably high levels of fitness are required. That is Akash Khurana is directing it. So he was like, this is the biggest irony that could happen with me. But for us it was more a human story than a sports film, which people realize after seeing the film. But on the outside it looks like a sports film because it's a sports backdrop film, और इतनी फिल्में आ चुकी हैं sports drama वाली कि उनको लगा कि ये भी इस तरह की होगी. But this is actually a drama, a human drama. Sports is just the backdrop.
Yes.
So for that we needed someone who could do really strong storytelling. For whom it is important that picture का दिल का है, soul का है. Honestly, I didn't see any work of Priyanshu before that. But I'd heard a lot about him, not just from Akash, but from a lot of other people, from Anurag also, that he's a really good actor. So for me, my biggest greed is to collaborate with really good actors around me, because I feel कि यार मेरी acting अच्छी हो जाती है इनकी वजह से. क्योंकि ये सारे सामने इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं ना, दैट मेरा जॉब टू रिएक्ट टू देम बिकम सो इजी. सो माई ओनली ब्रीफ ऑफ प्लीज बड़े अच्छे एक्टर्स लेके आना आसपास, ताकि मुझे ज्यादा मेहनत ना करनी पड़े एक्टिंग करने की.
Surprisingly, just 2 days before the film's trailer came out, एक trolling controversy हो गई around one picture of yours, and then I mean it was so eerie that the film is actually dealing with exactly what the issue was. So कहीं लगा कि अरे ये क्या है, is it like a deja vu, और क्योंकि some places people could have thought कि promotional strategy है. So how was that reaction now?
So those trollers gave me a promotional strategy on a platter, and the best part was that they didn't even realize what hit them when the promo came out. So it was just like वो मतलब unknowingly you get तुम्हारे हाथ सोना लग जाता है ना. I was jumping out of excitement when I saw that reaction to my picture. I was like, oh shit, this is gold. Right. Like I was so excited, and I immediately responded, you hold on to that thought, wait for 23rd September. So that got me so excited. Then after that I collated all such responses, and I was like, now let's just like show them that how we can, when you throw lemon at me, I'll make a lemonade out of it.
Apart from gender testing, there is discrimination, male-female biasness and all that stuff. And then the film is set in 2014. Now, in 2021, with more exposure to these women sports players, do you think the situation has become any better? कि अभी भी बहुत मतलब there's a far long way to go.
No, it has not become much. Like it's not improved much, because last Tokyo Olympics also there were two Namibian players who were banned because of the same test. So it is not really better in a way that we can still celebrate. So they really changed things after 2018, where they allowed कि 100-200 मीटर में भाग सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा टेस्टोस्टेरोन वाली लड़कियां, बट उससे ऊपर नहीं भाग सकते. So it was like अभी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मतलब the distance has become the criteria now. So but I think there needs to be a better kind of test and a better review system to decide what should be done, because the idea is to avoid people who either take banned substance or they are like men disguised as women running in the test. The idea is this behind having this test. So there needs to be a better way of exercising it than eventually bandiyan only, like the women only trying going out there and proving that we are women, please let us run at least, So I'm sure that we have reached moon, we are going to Mars, and pretty much a lot of technology has happened. We can figure out a better way to do it.
Would it be difficult to go back to the typical, how we call tag the commercial cinema in Bollywood? की responsibility बढ़ गई now that you've made your own genre of films?
थोड़ा तो मतलब एक eyebrow raising होएगी जब even if I go to forget about typical commercial वाले, तो मतलब दूर की बात है. If I end up doing films which don't have mudda at the core of it, then also they'll be like eyebrows as to अरे इस पिक्चर में मुद्दा कैसे नहीं है. I mean, if you see my situation, if I have a मुद्दा, मतलब then also there is a section of audience like इसकी हर पिक्चर में मुद्दा होता है यार. So अगर नहीं हो मुद्दा तो भी प्रॉब्लम है कि वो बोला अब इसमें तो मतलब what does she want to convey by this. So मतलब ना चिट मेरी ना पट मेरी. So I'm stuck in that kind of a situation. So I have kind of made peace with the fact that at no given point in time in my life, I will be able to satisfy and make 100% audience happy with my choice. So, अब वो idea भूल जाओ. Now I want to just make myself happy with the filmography I have, rather than trying to appease everyone. So I have stopped doing that.